If you are stopped for doing something that's not proper, you will be asked to put that on the trailer, on the truck, whatever it needs to be. Do not have that injury sticker on that vehicle. You must have a tag on it that says NHRA licensed on it.
Quick shout out to all of our sponsors: OGS 1320, Ford Piston, K-Tuned, Cylinder Support System, JBR Engines, Competition Clutch, X-City Racing Clutch, Cybin Carbon, Power Rev Racing, Eat, Sleep, Race.
So Hday started in 2002 at E-Town in Englishtown, New Jersey. Are we all nervous? I got it. Okay. So Frankie has a little easier back here. How you feel that you won this car?
Crazy.
And this was what, your first?
Third.
Third Hday. And so, are you gonna keep it?
I'm keeping it.
He's keeping it, ladies and gentlemen!
That's That's the way it's supposed to be. Enjoy it. All right? In good health. Thank you.
That's the way it is. On behalf of OGS 1320, all of our sponsors, Fort Piston, K2, Cylinder Support System, JBR Engines, Competition Clutch, kseries Racing Clutch, Simon Carbon, E2R, and E-Sweet Race. You, my friend, are taking home that blue FAA Type R. Make some noise!